Hello everyone, I am Nishikant Parmar. Have you ever wondered what has happened to the number of internet users in the world in the past few decades? Or how has the income per person within each country has grown? Or is that the case that countries that belong to the same continent have grown in similar fashion? Or has the internet been a curse or a blessing on the lifestyle of people? In this video, I have made an animation about the number of internet users in each country in the world versus the income per person for that country for some years. As you can see, I have two axes. On the x-axis, I have the number of internet users. These are the percentage of internet users in a particular country. And on the y-axis, I have the income per person that has the inflation rate adjusted. Now these circles represent all the countries of the world and their size represent their population. For example, we have China, which is the biggest circle, that is, it is the highest populated country. And after that, we have India. Now, let's see how has the world transformed from the year 1988 all the way up to 2017. So let's begin with the year 1988. Now let's go in flashback and see what has actually happened. So initially, we are in the year 1988 and the world and the internet has just come in the world. And most of the countries have very less number of internet users. Now, as we can see, we can fit this data in a vertical line. But as we grow in time, the countries which had higher income per person are growing very rapidly in terms of the number of internet users. Now, in 2000, we can see that United States, Norway, Canada are the most developed countries and they have very large internet users as well as very high income per person. And in the same year, we have most of the uh, African countries which are denoted in green and most of the Asian countries which are denoted in blue. And we can see India and China are overlapping in 2000. Now, when we move ahead from 2000 to 2011, then we can see that China has grown to a large extent as compared to India. The number of internet users in China have grown very large and the income per person of China as well as other Asian countries and African countries have been lifted up. Now, as we move from 2011 to 2017, the world moved towards the top right of this picture. And in the year 2017, we have the completely new world. And as we can see, these are the most developed countries which have very large which have very large number of internet users and very high income per person. But all this started in the year 1988 when we had nothing.